welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today we are going to see some batik saris, cotton batik saris. Lot of you were asking for this sari to be restocked. So this time we have come up with really different styles of batik saris. All the saris which I am going to show you is going to be super soft quality, and those saris do not carry blouses. It's going to be just 5.4 to 5.5 meters. It just varies with every pieces, and it's going to be jal batik, crackle batik. We are going to have some hand printed batiks, different styles we have in the same patterns, in the same material, and these materials are going to be super soft quality and ideal for the summer. To purchase the sari, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129, and please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. And lots of people were asking where our store is located. Our store is located in Chennai, Mandaviyar. We have given the address in the description. As of now, since it's lockdown, we are still working only online. The store is still closed. We'll intimate you once we resume our work in the store. Please do visit our store also to purchase these saris. But as of now, you can do your online shopping. Come on, let's start seeing the saris now. It's a very super soft quality batik cotton sari. It's a crackle pattern design. This kind of a pattern is called crackle pattern design. A very pretty one. This is an off-white, more of a white and off-white shade with the mustard color combination. Both the sides we have a contrast batik border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful crackle print running along the body of the sari. Pretty one. And this is the pallu of the sari, a batik pallu. And we don't have blouse for these saris. This is only sari, and the length of the sari is 5.5 meters, and the price of this sari is 540. In the same crackle pattern, we have some lovely color combinations. Around 10 to 15 combinations we have. I'll show you all the combinations. This is more of a light darker mauve shade or a purple shade with a contrast maroon color border. I think you can have a look of the sari. I am not opening it completely because all the batiks is going to be similar pattern. Only the colors I am just going to show you. It's a purple with a dark maroon shade. Beautiful color combo. The next combination is going to be more of a light mud shade with a maroon color combination. Very beautiful color combination. Lovely pattern. So you can see the color. And all the saris will not, they are going to be just the blouse, and all the saris will have a batik pallu. So I'll just show you the colors. The next color is going to be light Kanagamara color with a red color combination. Beautiful color combo again. Lovely design, beautiful color. Sure you have seen the color. Yeah. The next is going to be white with navy blue. Yeah. White with navy blue in the same crackle pattern. Yeah, this is the body and the border. So both the sides we have the same border. No blouse, only sari, and the pallu will be in contrast colors as the border. This is white with a long border pattern, slightly a lengthier border. One side is a big border, on the other side it's a smaller border. Very beautiful dark maroon, white with dark maroon combination in the crackle batik. The summer is just going on still. Lots of people want this batik, so we just got a very fresh stock from the weaver now. This is more of a mustard with a dark maroon combination. Lovely pattern. Beautiful color combinations. And the price of the sari is 540. All the sari which I am going to show you today will be 540. So let me not tell the price for everything. All the saris are going to be 540. This is green with dark maroon, dark brown almost. Beautiful color combination again. Very lovely color combination. The next is going to be a very different combination again. A blue with a dark purple shade. A cross pattern design. I'll open this pattern. This is a cross pattern. In the crackle batik, you have a diagonal pattern design running on the body. So it's going to be like this. Pretty design, diagonal pattern designs. and the price will be the same. This is again white with maroon, slightly a smaller border, not a big border. Beautiful small border pattern this is. Yeah. This is again a very pretty purple with a dark navy blue. This is navy blue. Very pretty combinations. Lovely color combinations. See, whichever color you like the most, please do comment in the comment sections what color you like the most and what you want more also, so that next time we'll restock more in those colors. This is pink with black, light pink with black, more of a lotus pink than a proper pink. It looks like more of a lotus pink with black color combination. Whichever you really like it, just pick it up. All in the 550 range, 540 range. This is red. It's not too dark a red, more of a maroonish red with dark brown combination. The brown looks almost like black, but it's a very, very dark coffee brown shade. Since lot of people were asking last time we showed you this, too many inquiries for this, so we just thought we'll again make a video on this itself. This is a very, very pretty combination, a different green, more of a peacock, darker peacock green shade with a maroon color combination again. Beautiful color combination, like really pretty to wear. Ideal for the summer, very budget friendly. This is more, this is a darker khaki shade with the maroon combination. Again, it's the diagonal pattern design. This kind of a pattern, beautiful color combination. Price of the saree is all 540 as I said. The next is going to be white with orange. Sure you'd have liked these collections. I'm sure you'd have all loved coming to the shop and purchase, but since the lockdown is just going on and on, let's do the video shopping now, online shoppings now. And the price of the saree is 540. This is again a beautiful pattern in the same batik pattern design. This is a different pattern. This is called a block print batik pattern design. Very, very pretty one. This is a purple with a dark purple shade or almost a navy blue shade combination batik saree. Beautiful pattern. Throughout the body we have a floral pattern block printed type batik saree batik print running along the body. And this is going to be the pallu of the saree, a pretty one. And this does not carry blouse, and the price of the saree is 540. We have some lovely colors in the same patterns. I'll show you the other colors. The next is going to be a beautiful light orange with red color combinations. See, beautiful color combination, lovely pattern, beautiful pattern. These sarees will look really amazing, and they are actually very, very ideal for the summer. The quality, but it's very, very super soft. Whoever have used these material, a lot of people would have bought it from us. You would have loved this material. This time we have beautiful color combinations. This is a dark maroon with a darker brown shade combination. A very pretty design, a bird pattern design, I guess. Yeah, it's a bird pattern design, different type of pattern this time. Beautiful color. Next is going to be orange with, it's more of a brick color orange, not too orange, not too bright. Brick color shade in that maroon color combination. Very pretty combination, beautiful pattern, lovely design. I'm sure you could see the colors, the designs. The next is going to be a very pretty yellow with green. Beautiful yellow with green. Lovely color combination. Very, very pretty design, pretty color. The next is going to be green with black. It's navy blue, but looks almost like black. Beautiful mehendi green with black combination. Beautiful pattern again. Lovely design. And all these sarees are priced at 540. This is again a light orange with maroon color combination. Lovely design. Pretty pattern. The next is going to be red with mustard. A beautiful red with mustard. Very pretty color. Looks very nice. Typically a Bengali shade. Very pretty red and mustard. The next is going to be lovely maroon with pink. Beautiful dark purplish maroon. That kind of a shade with pink color combination. Lovely pattern. Beautiful design. Lovely color. And the price of the saree is 540. This is again the hand block print batik. In that a dark maroon with a mustard color combination. Lovely combination. So this is going to be the body of the saree. A pretty design. Beautiful color combination. And the price of the saree is 540. The next shade is pink with navy blue. A pretty pink with a lovely navy blue. Beautiful color combinations and nice prints. Beautiful ones. Price of the saree is 540. Next shade is mustard with maroon. This is a nice mustard with a maroon combination. Again in the same block print batik. The next combination is more of a mud shade or a light chocolate brown with a darker maroon combination. A beautiful block print batik. Nice design. And the price of the saree is 540. And this is a maroon with a mustard combination jal batik saree. This kind of a pattern of design is called jal batik, where you have an all over print of designs in the batik pattern. Both the sides we have a batik pattern border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful design running along the body, like completely there will be a design that's called jal batiks. And this is the pallu of the saree, a very pretty one, and the price of this saree is 540. This is a dark maroon with dark khaki color shade jal batik design. Pretty design. This is the body of the saree. Lovely print in the jal batik pattern. The next is going to be dark green with green color combination. Lovely different combination. This is the first time actually I am seeing this kind of a combination in this pattern. Very pretty one. Dark green with green. The next is going to be a beautiful dark brown with rust. See, I am just doubtful with black or brown. It's brown. Brown with dark rust color combination in the jal batik pattern. So this is the body of the saree. These prints in batiks will not be very clear prints. There will be smudges here and there. That's not a defect. Batik sarees can be, these are all hand tied batiks, so these can be done in that way only. It's not screen print, it's all handmade, hand works. This is again a green with black color combination or navy blue combination, dark navy blue, almost black. Jal batik pattern, green with black color combination. The next is maroon with green. Beautiful pattern again in the jal batik. Maroon with green. Lovely color combination. The next is a mehndi green with yellow shade. I think it's a very pretty combination. A slightly a lighter shade. Whoever prefers light colors, they can go for these kind of colors. Some like dark colors, some people like light colors. Light color preferences, you can go for these kind of colors. This is again a green with mustard combination. Jal batik pattern in a self pattern design. It's not a contrast border, it's a self pattern border. Nice color. The next is going to be a lovely red with maroon. I'm sure you would love this combination. It's a very universal combinations, but any day we just love these kind of combinations. All the combinations in this pattern, if you see, it will be more earthly colors. This is mustard with maroon. Nice mustard with maroon combination in the jal batik pattern. So this is going to be the body of the saree. The next is red with mustard. Again a beautiful pattern in the jal batik. red with mustard. Lovely color combination, and the price of this saree is 540. In the same pattern, Jal Batik, it's a dark maroon with peacock green combination. Lovely color combinations. Very, very pretty one. Lovely designs. Beautiful color combination. The next is again a nice sapphire green with maroon combination. Jal Batik pattern. See, sapphire green with maroon. Dark maroon. Lovely combos. I think this time we have got really nice combinations. Usually we didn't have so much of combinations. Dark maroon with khaki color, light khaki color shade. Beautiful color combination, lovely pattern, nice colors. The next is going to be orange with a dark brown, almost a black. This orange is again a brick shade of orange, not a perfect bright orange, it's a brick shade orange. Nice color combination. The price of the saree is 540. In the last piece in the Jal Batik pattern, it's a dark brown with almost a black shade, darkest brown with red color combination in the Jal Batik pattern. Lovely color combination. And lots of people actually ask for same color, same design and all. Usually it's very difficult to get multiple pieces in these kind of batiks. At least the border will be slightly different. Something that kind of difference will be there, because since it's a handmade design, they are not able to make the replica of the same exact design again. So there will be some kind of differences. So this is a very pretty color combinations. We can try and get all the color combinations but not the designs. Beautiful pattern, and the price of this saree is 540. This is a beautiful hand painted batik design saree. A very lovely pretty color combination, beautiful pattern. This is a hand painted one, very print, beautiful pattern. And this is the pallu of the saree, and throughout the body we have a beautiful design running along the body of the saree, a pretty design. And the price of this saree is 540. In the same hand paint pattern, this is a beautiful maroon, a lovely pattern, beautiful design, lovely pattern in this batik again, very pretty design. This kind of big flowers coming in the bottom of the saree, and the price of the saree is 540. The next shade in the same pattern is going to be red. There will be slight differences in the body designs in these patterns. The top is going to be in small florals for small frills, and the bottom will be a bigger border design. A very pretty one, and you don't need to worry about the height of the saree. It's really much bigger. It's around 45 inches, 44 to 45 inches. The next is going to be lovely mehndi green, the same handprint type. Very pretty design, lovely color combination, beautiful design, lovely pattern, and the price of the saree is 540. In the same pattern, it's a lovely orange, beautiful orange, lovely design. These sarees will look really different when you wear. See, this is the body of the saree, lovely different pattern. Just one more color combination in this pattern, that's a pink, a lovely pink, beautiful pink. This is the one, lovely design, beautiful pattern, and the price of this saree is 540. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked the lovely collections of the batik sarees. To purchase the sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. We'll meet you in the next video in a beautiful another combination, and please tell us your views in the comments, and also what kind of sarees you would like to see in the next few videos. Please do share those things also to us to show you those kind of sarees. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.